Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the TestNG setup topic. So creating any TestNG project in Eclipse, we need to do some prerequisite configuration before creating TestNG project. So let's discuss all the 5 points one by one. So in first step, we need to download and install JDK-17 LTS version. So I already mentioned the link here. So let's copy it and open in the new tab. So that is the link where we can download the JDK-17. So as you can see, we have a Java 19 and Java 17 available now. So, but as you know, I said we are going to download JDK-17. Why so? Why not JDK-19 or Java 19? Because here is the answer lies. Java 17 LTS is the latest long-term support release for the Java SE platform. So it has the long-term support. So which means it's a stable and long-term support will be given by Java. So and in JDK 19 we receive update under these terms until March 2023 when it will be superseded by JDK 20. So it is under development and so many changes going on. So once this changes is done, then it will superseded by JDK 20. That's why I am telling the student not to use JDK 19. Go with the JDK 17 stable version, which has the long-term support till September 2024. So now click on the JDK 17 because we are going to download JDK 17 for the Windows version. So here Linux, macOS and Windows tab are there. Click on Windows and here three installer are there based on your machine configuration. So we are going to download 64-bit bin.exe file. So once you click it, it start downloading. So you can see it started downloading. So I'm canceling this because I already downloaded this JDK-17 in my system. So that is the first step. The second step, let's move to the step second, where we will install the downloaded version and then set up the Java home in our Windows system environment. So let's click on the installation of this exe. So double click. So install anyways. It's asking for more permission. So provide the permission whatever it asks. So now you can see preparation and installation alert window came. Now it's saying welcome to the installation wizard for JDK-SE development kit 17.0.6. So we will click on the next button and it will show you the uh, directory structure where this Java will install. So let it be the default one. Now the installation is started. So it will take few minutes to complete. So now you can see the alert window where it is showing Java development kit successfully installed. So let's close this window and now open our step 2 where we need to set up the Java underscore home variable in Windows system environment. So where we can find this environment variable? Search environment variable in system search. So we copied this environment variable, click on the system search, paste it here. So it will show you edit the system environment variable. Click this one. Once this is clicked, it will show you alert window system variable. So click on the environment variable button. So now click on the new. This is the environment variable window where click on the new. Here write Java underscore home as I have mentioned in the doc. You can see it here, Java underscore home, and the path where the Java installed. So where Java installed, go to this PC, click on C drive, program files, and there is a Java folder. Click on JDK-17 that we installed. Copy this path from the address bar, paste it here in the variable value section, and make sure variable name should be same, Java underscore home, no space there. Okay, now the Java home added. Now click on the path. Select the path in edit mode. Once this edit mode done, then click on the new button where we need to add the path till bin directory. So copy this from the address bar till bin directory. Open again, click on new, paste it here at the bottom. Don't touch any other path, otherwise your system will stop working. Stop working. So don't do this. So click add your path, say OK, OK, all set. Now click on the OK. So now Java and home is set in the environment variable. So we completed our step 2. Now step 3, download Eclipse IDE and install. So I already mentioned the link of Eclipse IDE path. So open this site. So here you can click on the download and it start downloading your Eclipse, which I already downloaded here. You can see it in my download directory, Eclipse installer there. So I'm not going to download. You simply click it here and it will automatically download. So now once it is downloaded, we need to install it. So click on Eclipse installer. So again, it will ask for permission, install anyways. And it will ask for some other permission as well. Once you click on the Eclipse installer, it will open the pop-up window for installer. Now here you can see a lot of options and we need to select the first one, Eclipse IDE for Java developer. So click on this option. So it will say create a start menu entry and create desktop shortcut. Let it be a default one. Click on the install button. So now you can see installation is started. It will take few minutes to get completed. Installation is done for Eclipse IDE. So here are the few points that we can revisit. So Eclipse IDE for Java developers supports Git client, XML editor, Maven, and Gradle integration. So these are the basic feature of Eclipse IDE. Second, it all already taken a Java 17 from our default Java underscore home variable that we have set in the environment variable. And here is the path where your Eclipse IDE installed. Now click on the launch. So it will launch the Eclipse IDE. So we are clicking on this. Now the Eclipse IDE started launching. So just wait for few minutes, it will open. So now it will ask you that is the Eclipse workspace path. Let it be the default one and don't show this message again and again. For that, we need to check this box, use this as the default and do not ask again. So it won't show you this alert window. So launch, click on the launch button. So now your Eclipse IDE is opening and the default path it's already showed you where you will create your project. So now your Eclipse is open. So you can see this is the welcome window it is showing and it will show you all the details. If you want to take a tour, you can take a tour. Click here and it will take you to the Eclipse IDE tour. So we are not going to see the tour. Just close this welcome tab. So now your Eclipse is up to the mark. Let's check the next point. The step 4. Install TestNG plugin in Eclipse IDE for Eclipse Marketplace. So we need to install the TestNG plugin. So from where we can get the TestNG plugin, go to the help and click on the Eclipse Marketplace. It is similar like Google Play Store where we find all the application. In Eclipse Marketplace, we will find all the free version of plugins for Eclipse. So here in search bar, you need to type the TestNG and enter. So it will search the TestNG in Eclipse Marketplace. So it's find uh, some filter criteria that we put in here, TestNG. So select the first option, TestNG for Eclipse. Here is the install button. Click on this. So it's fetching all the Eclipse plugin from the marketplace. So now you can see confirm select feature. So select all the feature. You can ignore this one, but I would suggest you to install everything. So confirm. So now it will show you Apache license agreement because it's a license free. It's a completely free software. So accept the term of the license agreement and finish. So now you can see at the bottom of the Eclipse here, the installation software 6%. So installation is started. If you click on this icon, so it will start showing what are the, so now it's showing installation is in progress. So, so now you can see this window where it asks for the trust. So click on this check button, always trust. So yes, I accept the risk. Trust selected. Now it goes further for downloading. So now your TestNG is downloaded successfully. Click on restart now. So we need to restart the Eclipse after installing the plugin so that it comes into the effect in Eclipse IDE. So we completed our step 4. Let's the Eclipse open. So now it has opened and our plugin is successfully installed. Now check the step 5 where create a new Java project in Eclipse IDE and configure TestNG in Classpath to execute our first demo test. So we are good to go. Everything is now set up. And let's create the first Java project. So create a Java project. You can click it here. The link is shown here. So my first test ng project. So select the Java version JDK-17, the default one that we have installed. Click on finished. So now our first project is created here. So now you can see JDK-17 attached to it and there is a src folder where you can see this module info.java file. Just remove it, right click and delete. So delete it because we don't require this one. So right click, go to new, create some package so that we can run our first TestNG program. So com dot testing dot sign up. Let's say we are going to create a sign up feature first thing. So now package is ready, but still we need to attach the TestNG to my project. That is the important part in it. So right click on the project, go to the last option, properties, go to the Java build path, click on the libraries, click on the class path where we will add the TestNG. So now after clicking class path, add library where you can find TestNG, select this one, go next, finish. So once you finish, you can see TestNG added to the class path of this project. So apply, close. Now, once we added the test engine class path of the project, you can see TestNG is now available here for use in this project. So now create our first class for TestNG. So click on the class. Our class name is sign up because we are going to test the sign up feature, a dummy sign up feature. So class is created, and let's create a first test method, public void sign up, public void test sign up feature. So and now method created, system.out.println, where we simply put the comment first test method. So now we need to check whether the TestNG plugin is configured properly or not. So at the rate is the annotation of the TestNG, T, capital T, and then control space. So it will show you all the re related option. So we need to pick the first one, which is org.testng annotation. So once you click, it imports the TestNG, which means it's successfully added in the class path. So now everything is done. Click on right click, run as TestNG test. Once you click on run as TestNG test, it will ask first time allow. So now here click on the console, double click. So here you can see our first test case executed and passed. So here you can see it's showing one passed because we did not put any steps into it, only the system.out.println. Now double click on the console. So your project is now come back, and now you can write more test case onto it. So now we are good to go with the configuration and created the project, and rest we will do all the TestNG related annotation keywords in the rest of the videos. So thank you so much.